well, something came up. So today we are just going to be looking at what we are going to be trading on for the next week. I have so many pairs of focus, but I'll be limited to just take around 4 or random ones. So let's start with GBP NZD. We can see that from here GBP NZD has been making what we know as highs, and all of a sudden it started making lows. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that because the weekly time frames where I start my analysis from, look at the directional biases, is that the market is going low. That's what I'm trying to say. And where will my key level be? One of my key levels will be here, and another my key level will be here. I don't think there's a need to draw it. Okay, let me just draw it. If you want to make it smaller, you can make yours smaller. Why do I draw my key levels on the weekly time frame? Because it holds more. That's why I draw it. Because it holds more, and trust me, my stop loss is big. So on the daily time frame, I'm expecting something. But what am I expecting? I don't think I'm expecting anything in a way, because okay, am I not? All right, so there was a little bit of non-network, so I had to. All right, so looking at the daily time frame, we'll notice something very key, which is what the market broke out of this range. Some people made money out of this. So I won't lie, but what we are waiting for is that the market should come here and push down, because automatically the market too is in a bearish trend, and this was where it became bearish. This was the last bearish trend. So what we are expecting is that markets will come here also, and give us something bearish. So after that, we'll be looking at EUR GBP. I like this pair because, like I said, I'll just be looking at random ones, like 4. I like this pair because, and I'll be sharing it simple pairs, because on the weekly time frame it is very, very clear. You don't need to do much, say much. You just see it that it is clear. Yes, you just need to just see it. You know that it is clear. So another thing also that we need to note from this is that, in as much as we've seen it and we know that it is clear, we need to know that this is a key level. Now, why did I put this as a key level? Because it's a key level, and I was thinking about something, that every time market comes here into this level, it bounces up. See, it bounces up. Came here, it bounces up. Came here, it bounces up. So I was thinking 2 things can happen here. Just basically 2 things. Is it that, which is I'm also having an eye for it here. You get? I'm also, like I said, you can make it smaller. Yeah, you can make it smaller. It's not bad. I'm also having an eye for it in these 2 zones. So what I was thinking was that on the daily time frame, if anywhere the market pull back to, first of all, that's where I'm going to be interested in. Say it again. Anywhere the market pulls back into, that's where I'm going to be interested on taking my sell position. But at the same time, if I go down to the 4-hour time frame, exactly what happened here is repeating itself here. You get, like, is it making sense? So exactly what's happening here is repeating itself here. See, the break, retest, and push up. So I was thinking, if this can hold, maybe tomorrow I'm seeing a very nice good, like maybe it comes here, comes here, and it's, I can buy, yeah, for a 25 hour, and I will go for a 1 to 3, you get. So that's one thing I'm looking at, guys. That's one thing. Like I said, I'm just doing what the market, I've seen the market done over and over again. So that's one. All right, so what am I looking at again on EUR? Okay, should I look at EUR card? Card, like Clinton. Why EUR card? That's what a lot of people will be asking. Let me delete this. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's just look at this place. Where is the market heading to? It's heading down. I'm coming, Ben. It's heading down. But if you look at it, it's not heading down in a way. Because why is it not heading down? Because the market is giving structures that is so unreal. It's giving structure that is so unreal. And what I like about my strategy is that you don't have to really know where the market is going to every time. Just know where it's going to once. So if I look left, I can see key levels here that I like. So I like this key level 1, and I like this key level 2. I also like this key level. It's not a bad key level at all. It's not a bad key level, but I can leave it here. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for what? Price to enter into this key level and push up. That's what I'm waiting for price to do. Enter into that key level and push up. Do you understand? So